Hello, today I'll be talking about Chapter 12 of the Data Management Body of Knowledge. Chapter 12 is called Metadata Management and is covering in Section 1 what metadata is. It's defined as data about data. And Section 1 continues to talk about how metadata plays a pivotal role in the managing, leveraging, and understanding of organizational asset data. From technical processes to business rules and data structures, metadata encompasses the vital information that is used for data quality assessment and governance. And moving on to Section 2, it sheds some light on the formulation of the metadata strategy. And the metadata strategy is what moves a company from its current processes to its future goals for metadata. Through stakeholder interviews and assessment of their existing metadata sources, and also the creation of phased implementation plans, companies are able to pave the path towards a more effective data management and utilization. So Chapter 3 covers the significance of metadata repositories, which are centralized hubs that integrate metadata from diverse sources. And here we learn about how metadata management tools facilitate this process, and they allow for manual entry or automated extraction of metadata, which fosters the standardization and enrichment across all of the repositories. In Chapter 4, we cover the importance of finding metadata about physical assets, particularly in understanding data transformations across systems. And it talks about metadata tools and how they can give you more information about data lineage, which I've covered before, is the historical record of data and how it's moving around and how it's transforming. And it's really important for managing unstructured data sources like data lakes. Section 5 covers incremental implementation of managed metadata environments, which help in decreasing overall organizational risk and enhancing the risk acceptance, and talks about open relational database platforms, which are for metadata repositories, and they offer flexibility in your development and flexibility in by allowing for unforeseen controls. And also you need your senior management to be collaborating with cross-functional teams in order to truly be successful with your implementation. Section 6 covers the establishment of governance processes and formal roles for your metadata management, and it talks about how you should use your metadata strategy and implement that into your software development lifecycle to ensure that your data is complete, current, and up to date. And it talks about some different metrics for metadata, like metadata completeness, management maturity, steward representation, and repository usage, which can help you make sure that your metadata implementation and governance are complete and effective. In conclusion, this chapter covered metadata and metadata management. Each section talked about a different aspect of making sure that your metadata management is effective and making sure that you're implementing it properly. One of the main themes, as I've noticed throughout the book, is to make sure that your teams are collaborating and that your management is effective. And thank you for listening.